Our Ogbonge concern now for AAU na to upgrade the school to world-class university. Godwin Obaseki na him talk this one. Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say government plan na to transform the state-owned Ambrose Ali University to world-class university wey go fit produce Ogbonge graduates. Obaseki talk this one when he meet with members of the Nigerian Labour Congress Edo State chapter on Monday for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki went thank NSC for Edo State for their Ogbonge cooperation with government, come promise say Edo State government continue to focus on the welfare of Edo State workers. Olaye wey be the acting chairman for Nigerian Labour Congress NLC for Edo State come yarn tori pipo after the meeting with Governor Obaseki say government and Labour don begin do talk sake of the suspension of labour unions for universities for Edo State, and he come promise say dem go resolve the matter sharply.
In Edo State, under my leadership, we wrote to Mr. Governor over the suspension of union activities in some schools. And today we met with him. The matter, we have deliberated on it successfully, and in a very short period, it will be a thing of the past. We are meeting again, and with the way we stop today, when next we meet, everything will be in order. I can assure that with the way the governor respond.
People wey follow Governor Obaseki tanda for this meeting na Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu, Secretary to Edo State Government, Osaodion Oge Esquire, Commissioner for Education, Dr. Joan of Yahweh, Acting NSC Chairman for Edo State, Odion Olaye, Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.